Create a silicone mold based on a 1:1 model for mass production. Add gypsum powder to water along with a hardening agent, then mix well. Remove air bubbles from the mixture using a vacuum machine. Pour the slurry into the mold. Once set, remove the gypsum cast. Dry thoroughly, either by heating or air drying, to evaporate all internal moisture. Trim away excess material from the pouring inlet of the cast. Fine polish the gypsum surface. Then, if needed, any defects like pores are repaired to ensure a fine art quality finish. After each careful step by our artisans, a perfect gypsum artwork is ready.